Sitting by my window in Mumbai as I try to find some fresh air while it rains outside, I wonder if my headache, my uneasiness could be something more than just a regularity. I wonder if there could be symptoms. And I immediately resume a conversation with my family doctor, Google. I see two ambulances crossing each other from opposite directions on the highway. Their sirens overlapping each other till they become one sound and then again become two distinct ones. I think of my colleagues at office, the first, the second, the third, the fourth, and how each of them has recently become part of the ordeal that the planet is going through. So, have the masks, the gloves, the hot water sips and the vitamin C shots finally lost to the inevitable? Pondering over this, my eyes get fixated to the skies. It is not yet completely dark, so I can still make out a small blue of the sky peeping behind the dark grey of the clouds. I remember, not so long ago, there was only a sporadic, directionless, harmless, dark cloud in the sky that at the most looked like a wrong choice of patch on an otherwise beautiful fabric. Would the sky have thought it was actually a symptom of the rains that would follow? I see there is a small dry area on the street under the metro bridge. Would the surface have thought of the first droplet as a symptom that would finally extend its reach, its existence, and take over the whole floor? Would the brightness of the day ever notice that the dimming of the lights was actually a symptom of the dark coming ahead? I realize symptoms are rarely taken seriously. And even if they are, some things are unavoidable. I mean, what could the sky, the surface, or the day have done, even if they sensed what was coming? Or was it that they never wanted to stress over those symptoms? Maybe yes. Maybe yes, because eventually the rains leave. Eventually the surface gets rid of the moisture. And eventually the day gets back to its own shining glory. So hey symptoms, I will keep avoiding you with the masks, the gloves and the hot beverages. But if you're really here, you're welcome to have a rendezvous with my immunity, my preparation and my resolve that I won't unnecessarily Google you anymore. Because eventually, all this will be over. All this will be over.